Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI in Action. You've probably seen the videos saying ByteDance's new AI, Seedream 4.0, is the next big thing. Well, today, we're not just going to talk about it, we're going to put it to the ultimate test. Forget 12 demos. I've prepared for 25 insane demonstrations that prove Seedream 4.0 doesn't just compete with models like Nano Banana, it leaves them in the dust. We're talking about creating entire marketing campaigns from a single prompt, editing text inside an image like magic, and creating visuals so realistic you won't believe they're AI generated. And the best part? I'll show you how to do all of this for free. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete playbook to create professional-grade visuals for any project you can imagine. First, let's get you set up. Accessing Seedream 4.0 for free is simple. Just follow the link I've put in the description. Once you're on the site, you'll need to find the image generation tool and select the Seedream 4.0 model. It's that easy. All right, if you're ready to have your mind blown, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It tells YouTube you love content like this, and it helps me keep bringing you the latest in AI. Now let's get into it. Part 1. The biggest problem with AI image tools has always been consistency. You get a character you love, but you can never create them again. Seedream 4.0 solves this with something called sequence mode. Let's see it in action. Demo 1, the one-click marketing campaign. Imagine creating all the visuals for a marketing campaign in a single operation. Workflow. First, upload your product photo and your brand logo. Prompt. Then use this prompt in sequence mode. Using the product in image 1 and logo in image 2, create a sequence of 5 marketing visuals. 1. Instagram post 1.1 with a lifestyle setting. 2. LinkedIn banner 3.1 with a minimalist business context. 3. YouTube thumbnail 16.9 with dramatic lighting and bold text new release. 4. Pinterest pin 2.3 styled as a flat lay. Maintain brand colors and consistent logo placement across all variations. And just like that, you have perfectly branded platform-specific assets. The time this saves is just incredible. Demo 2, the Instant Brand Identity Kit. Starting a new brand, what if you could visualize your entire identity from just a logo? Workflow. Upload a simple logo as your only reference image. Prompt. Use this prompt. Using this logo as a reference, create a visual design collection for an outdoor sports brand named Green, including a packaging bag, a baseball cap, a cardboard paper box, a wristband, and a lanyard. In seconds, Seedream creates a full suite of branded mockups, intelligently applying your logo's style to everything. Demo 3, the perfect game character sheet. For game developers, keeping a character looking the same across hundreds of images is a nightmare. Not anymore. Workflow. Upload 1 to 3 images of your character concept art. Prompt. Then use a sequence prompt like this. Generate a sequence of 6 images showing this fantasy warrior character. 1. Neutral standing pose. 2. Casting a fire spell. 3. Wounded but fighting. 4. A close-up portrait showing a determined expression. 5. Wearing ceremonial robes instead of armor. Maintain the exact same facial features and art style across all images. Result: absolute character consistency, no matter the pose, expression, or outfit. This is a game changer for any kind of sequential storytelling. Demo 4, the AI-powered storyboard. Want to create a comic or a movie storyboard? Seedream can generate a whole narrative sequence. Workflow. Upload reference images for your main characters and the setting. Prompt. Write your story frame by frame in the prompt. Generate a 4-panel comic sequence in a classic mecha anime style. 1. Two massive robots charging at each other in a ruined cityscape. 2. A dynamic clash of energy swords creating a shower of sparks. 3. A close-up on one pilot's determined face inside the cockpit. 4. One robot stumbling back, damaged. Maintain character and city consistency. Result: you get a coherent visual story, perfect for pre-visualization, saving creators countless hours. After generating to this level, I exhausted my credit with that account. I just the link in the description again to create a new account. Demo 5, the Architectural Explorer Architects. This one's for you. Explore dozens of design options in minutes. Workflow: upload a single sketch or 3D render of your building. Prompt: ask for variations. Based on this architectural concept, generate a sequence of 5 environmental variations. 1. During a sunny day with hard shadows. 2. At dusk with warm interior lights on. 3. In a foggy, moody morning. 4. With exterior walls changed from concrete to weathered wood. 5. As a cinematic shot during a rainstorm at night. Result: you can see your design in different lighting, weather, and materials without needing to manually re-render anything. Demo 6, the character aging sequence. This is where it gets really cool. You can visualize a character's entire life. Workflow: upload a clear portrait of your character. Prompt: describe the life stages. Generate a 4-image sequence showing the aging of this character. 1. As a young adult. 2. As a middle-aged leader with a few gray hairs. 3. As a wise elder with a white beard. 4. As a corrupted version with glowing red eyes. Preserve core facial structure and identity throughout. Result: the model realistically ages the character while keeping their core identity perfectly recognizable. A powerful tool for storytelling. Demo 7, the Endless Wardrobe. Fashion designers, you can iterate on outfits without ever needing a photo shoot. Workflow: upload an image of a model in a neutral pose. Prompt: use sequence mode to try on different clothes. Using the model in image 1, generate a sequence of 4 different outfits. 1. A modern business suit. 2. A casual streetwear look. 3. A futuristic cyberpunk jacket. 4. A formal evening gown. Maintain exact facial features and body proportions. Result: this massively speeds up the design process, letting you explore dozens of looks in minutes. Demo 8, the multi-style art machine. Let's take one image and see it in a bunch of completely different art styles. Workflow: upload your source image. Prompt: instruct the AI to transform it. Transform this character into 6 different art styles while preserving exact facial features. 1. 16-bit pixel art. 2. Painterly watercolor illustration. 3. Dramatic comic book cover style. 4. 3D rendered model. 5. Studio Ghibli anime style. 6. Lego figurine style. Result: the composition and character are perfectly preserved, even through extreme style changes. Part 2. Okay, consistency is one thing, but what about creating finished assets with perfect text and layouts? This is where most AI tools fail, but Seedream excels. Demo 9, the data-rich infographic. Need to explain complex information visually? Workflow. This is a text-only prompt. You describe the entire infographic. Prompt. Eco-friendly infographic poster. Central Earth globe with green leaves, stats on recycling, reduce 50% waste. Clean vector style, icons for water, air, and soil. Result. Seedream generates a structured, data-driven visual with clean, accurate text. This is invaluable for marketers, educators, and consultants. Demo 10, the print-ready event poster. Let's design a professional poster with complex, stylized text. Workflow. Use a detailed text prompt to specify every element. Prompt. Concert poster. Title: The Sound of Fractals. Background: a shattered glass sphere refracting rainbow light. Subtitle: Live at the Crystal Hall, 05/11/2026. Bold white lettering bending along the curve of the sphere, futuristic style. Result: look at that, it doesn't just add text, it follows layout commands like bending along the curve. Demo 11, the high click-through YouTube thumbnail. As a YouTuber, this is one of my favorites. Let's make a killer thumbnail. Workflow: write a single prompt describing the scene and the text overlay. Prompt: YouTube thumbnail, 16:9 aspect ratio. A dramatic image of a hacker in a dark room with code on screens. Bold, glowing red text in the center, AI is dangerous. High contrast cinematic lighting. Result: in seconds, you get a perfect, attention-grabbing thumbnail designed to maximize clicks. Demo 12, the e-commerce studio shot. Need clean product shots for your online store? No need for a photographer. Workflow: use a prompt that mimics a photographer's brief. Prompt: product photography with Seedream 4.0, a sleek wireless earbud centered on seamless white background, soft top light plus subtle fill, realistic shadow under product, 85mm lens look, ultra-sharp details. Result: you get a perfect, studio-quality pack shot without the cost and hassle of a real photo shoot. We are not even halfway through, and this is already insane. Which one of these demos has impressed you the most so far? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Now back to it. Demo 13, the e-commerce lifestyle shot. Studio show shots are great, but lifestyle photos sell the dream. Workflow: upload a reference image of your product for accuracy. Prompt: create a narrative around the product. Product photography with Seedream 4.0, our branded water bottle on a wooden table next to a laptop in a bright, modern cafe. Natural window light, shallow depth of field, warm morning mood, candid composition. Result: a beautiful, aspirational photo that connects with customers on an emotional level, all generated by AI. Demo 14, the perfect social media flat lay. Let's create one of those perfectly composed top-down shots you see all over Instagram. Workflow: the key is to specify an overhead flat lay view. Prompt: product photography with Seedream 4.0, a luxury watch, overhead flat lay on a dark slate surface, arranged with a leather-bound journal and a fountain pen. Soft diffused light, clean negative space on the right for text overlay. Result: the AI understands composition concepts like negative space, giving you a balanced image that's ready for text. Demo 15, the appetizing recipe card. This one combines photorealism and accurate text perfectly. Workflow: use a single comprehensive prompt to describe the entire card. Prompt: create a recipe card for avocado toast. A half avocado at the top left, avocado toast in the center. Ingredients list on the top right. 2 slices bread, 1 avocado, 1 egg, salt, pepper. Photorealistic image of the toast in the center. Result: you get a beautiful, complete recipe card where the text is actually correct, a huge achievement for AI. Demo 16, the step-by-step instructional diagram. Seedream can even create functional educational content. Workflow: break down a process into steps within your prompt. Prompt: in a handwritten journal style, create a tutorial diagram for ice cream making steps with English text. Step 1, mix ingredients. Step 2, churn. Step 3, freeze. Use simple line drawings for each step. Result: a clear, concise how-to guide. This is amazing for technical writers, teachers, or anyone who needs to explain a process. Part 3, the art of the edit. Now for the part that feels like actual magic. Seedream doesn't just generate images, it can edit them with simple text commands. You can have a conversation with the AI to refine your image perfectly. Demo 17, the virtual fashion try-on. This could revolutionize online shopping. Workflow: upload an image of a model and an image of a clothing item. Prompt: Place the dress from image 2 onto the model in image 1. Ensure it fits realistically and maintains the original garment's design and texture. Result: the AI realistically drapes the garment onto the model. Brands can now showcase their entire catalog on any model without a single photo shoot. Demo 18, the Hold My Product ad. Let's seamlessly place a product into someone's hands. Workflow: you need an image of a model with their hand in a holding position and your product image. Prompt: place the smartphone from image 2 into the model's hand in image 1. Make the grip look natural and ensure the product is at the correct scale. This particular image came out incorrectly even after generating 2 versions, which is a point against Seedream 4.0. However, it has been impressive overall, 18 demos with only 1 bad result. Demo 19, the one-click photo restoration. Have old, damaged family photos? Watch this. Workflow: upload a scan of the old photo. Prompt: colorize this photo and repair the scratches and crumpled portions. Make it look clean and new. Result: what would take hours in Photoshop is done in seconds. Scratches removed, tears fixed, and realistic color added. Demo 20, the real estate virtual renovation. Help potential buyers see a home's potential. Workflow: upload a photo of a room. Prompt: describe the renovations you want to see. In this living room photo, change the carpet to light oak hardwood flooring. Repaint the beige walls to a modern light gray color. Keep all furniture and windows the same. Result: a stunning before and after that can help sell homes faster. Demo 21, the scene object swap. Let's replace an object in a photo and have it blend in perfectly. Workflow: upload an image with an object you want to replace. Prompt: in this photo of a dog on a couch, replace the dog with a schnauzer. Maintain the same pose and lighting. Result: the AI understands the scene's lighting, perspective, and shadows to make the new object look like it was always there. Demo 22, the instant background replacement. A classic editing task, now made effortless. Workflow: upload a photo with a clear foreground subject. Prompt: keep the person in the foreground but change the background to a beautiful sunset beach. Result: perfect background removal and replacement with a single sentence. No more tedious manual masking. Demo 23, the sketch to photoreal render. This is a superpower for designers. Go from a simple sketch to a final render in one step. Workflow: upload a photo of a hand-drawn sketch. Prompt: convert this hand-drawn sketch of a sneaker into a realistic product photograph. Use leather and mesh materials. Place it in a studio setting with clean lighting. Result: it bridges the gap between a low-fidelity idea and a high-fidelity, client-ready visual instantly. Demo 24, the unbelievable in-image text edit. This is my absolute favorite. I saved the best edit for last. We're going to change text that's already inside an image. Workflow: upload an image with text like a poster or a sign. Prompt: in this image of a poster, change the text Santiago Music Festival to Seedream Photography Exhibition and change the date to 2025-10/01/07. Keep the color scheme, font, and alignment of the text unchanged. Result: this is just mind-blowing. It not only replaces the words, but perfectly matches the original font, perspective, lighting, and style. This is a level of contextual awareness that almost no other model has. Part 4. For our grand finale, let's explore how Seedream can blend multiple different images to create something completely new and original. Demo 25, the conceptual ad visual. Let's create a high-impact ad that would be impossible to photograph. Workflow. Upload several images, each representing a different concept. Prompt. Use the prompt as a creative brief to fuse them. Fuse these 3 images. Image 1, a sports car. Image 2, a bolt of lightning. And image 3, a futuristic cityscape. Create a dynamic ad visual showing the car driving through the city, wreathed in electricity from the lightning. Blend the styles for a cohesive, cinematic look. Result: it's not a collage, it's a true creative fusion. The AI blends the concepts and styles to create a powerful, unique visual perfect for conveying abstract ideas like speed or power. And there you have it, 25 demonstrations that show Seedream 4.0 isn't just another image generator. It's a complete, integrated creative platform, from ensuring perfect consistency for brands and stories, to creating precise, text-rich assets, to editing photos with unbelievable control. This tool represents a fundamental shift in how we can create visual content. It reduces the time, cost, and friction involved in production, giving more creative power to everyone. So what do you think? Is Seedream 4.0 the new king of AI image generation? Which demo are you going to try first? Let me know everything in the comments below. I love discussing this stuff with you all. If you found this video helpful and want to master the world of AI, make sure to check out this video on Nano Banana, another Seedream competition. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to AI in Action, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.